Hi everyone. Today I will show you 5 hidden tools inside the AutoCAD right-click menu that nobody uses but they save a lot of time. So let's start. First one is a repeat last command. When you right-click and here you will find here repeat. So instead of pressing enter or space, this right-click give you a quick repeat command. The second one is isolate hide objects. So right click and click on isolate and click on isolate object. Let's say you have a very big drawing and you want to work only on that portion. So I will select the portion here. I want to work only on that portion. Enter. So only that portion will be shown here. Other portion will be removed from the drawing. So you can work efficiently. Right click, isolate and click on end object isolation and the full drawing will be come. So second one is isolate and hide object. Let's say you want to remove some portion of the drawing. Let's say I want to now remove this one from the drawing. Enter. Now this is isolate hide object. The selected portion will be removed and other portion you can work on that. Again, if you want to bring back, right click, isolate and end object isolation. So your full drawing will be shown here. Third one is if you want to select any object of similar properties, just right click, click on quick select, and here we have the options. We can select the object by colors, layers, type, line type, plot style, line weight. Let's say I click on layers and here I want to select any layers. Let's say I want to click on CPU and click OK. You can see that all CPU inside the drawing is highlighted. Let's say if you want to change the size or some geometry, type CH and here you can increase or decrease the scale. I want to make it 2, enter. Enter. You can see that the XY scale change of the CPU. So in one shot, you can edit the whole drawing. I will come back one. So this is the third tool. Fourth one is a quick calculator. Just right click here, click on quick calculator. And here you can add any dimension in the calculator by measuring. So I will select here this measuring command here. And let's say I will select from this portion to this portion. So it's showing here 6421 and you can plus or minus. Let's say you want to plus here any odd number. So it will show here. You can extend the drawing or stretch the drawing. So here is a very lot of features available here in the quick calculator. And fifth one is right click and click on recent input and here you will find all the commands which you have given in AutoCAD. So you can click on any command and it will activate. So it will save a lot of time while working on a complex drawing with the help of the right click menu.